Samsung has finally started rolling out stable OneUI 8 update. So say goodbye to OneUI 8 beta program. The update is available today in Korea for Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Right now I have OneUI 8 beta 7 on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. And if I check for update by going in settings, then software update, there is no update right now, but I think it will be here soon within a week. Samsung is also going to launch Gallery Assistant Beta, just like Camera Assistant and Display Assistant. This will only work with OneUI 8. You can register for Gallery Assistant Beta using Samsung Members app, but once again, it will be available in limited countries. OneUI 8 once again is a minor update when compared to OneUI 7. We are getting only few new AI features for Galaxy S25, while Galaxy S24 is getting that Now Brief app with OneUI 8. Apart from that, we are getting new dynamic lock screen clock with OneUI 8. This only works with portrait wallpapers, and you can only use this with limited fonts. So do check it out once you get OneUI 8 update. Then Internet app is getting a slight update in design. Reminders app with OneUI 8 is getting a huge update. It has a brand new design and now you can add reminders without opening the calendar app. File Manager is getting a separate tab for every browser, so all your downloaded files will be there in separate tabs. Then Weather app is getting a massive new design. It now looks modern with those smooth animations. Also Galaxy AI will be a bit better now for removing background objects. So that was all about OneUI 8 update. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.